Right, so we're just out for a wee stroll in Dundee today. Might go and hire a bike because the weather's okay. So, having said that, just felt a spot of rain. Yeah, I think I'll still get a bike just for an hour, just so we cycle about. Right, we are back on the bike for a couple of hours, folks. I might go across to Tayport or Newport maybe. Oh, decisions. Join me in a couple of minutes for the decision. Right, here we go. We are going up to the Tay Bridge.
First floor, doors opening.
Here we go, folks. 2 miles, mile and a half. Right, we're in 6th gear. I think I better go down to 3rd or 4th gear. Very noisy on the bridge though. There's Dundee behind me. Right, we are coming to the end. So do we go left to Tayport or right to Newport? I think I'll go to Newport. So the Tay Road Bridge behind me now, it celebrates its 50th anniversary, I think. Is it 50? Yeah, this month, or is it next month? There's a few things on, so no doubt we'll be here to film the shenanigans. I'm sure it's this month, in a couple of weeks' time. 50 years this has been up. Amazing. Right, I've got a cappuccino there from Mana's behind me there, that red building in Newport. Now the girl's quite new and it feels like there's nothing but a froth in it. So we'll give it a go. Massive flagpole. There's not much of it, but it actually tastes okay. So we'll let it off. Right, so we wander around Newport on Tay. See what this says up here. Southern Railway. This is the back of the old Newport Hotel, I think. It's all been done up now. I'd read somewhere that the guy who won MasterChef has bought a place here, so maybe this could be this restaurant bar. I don't know. Bike number M1799 today. Just way ahead back across the bridge, which I think is all downhill. Right, just way to go on a live Spiz page now and record it live going across the bridge. See if we can get more than 10 viewers. Right, there's a big storm approaching. Donald Sutty's just put a message on saying there's massive. Oh no, it's thunder and lightning! What? Oh no! It's thunder and lightning, I'm going to get caught. Look at that storm coming, folks. Can you see it? Yeah. I think it's a big storm. I just heard some thunder and lightning, so I'm going to put the phone away, tank it to the end and try and get some shelter. closing in. I'm now a storm chaser. Actually, a storm getting away from her. What does that mean? Right. 10th gear, let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh, soaked. Absolutely soaked. I can see anything now, look. Right, down we go. Can't believe how wet my shorts are, but never mind. I'll cycle around a bit to try and dry them off because I think the rain has now gone off. Storm chaser.